Come on.
Okay. All right, light them up. He's like, nah, that's okay. No big deal.
She didn't mind it?
Okay, let me turn the camera off. Let's look at the camera. Look at the camera. Here. See the camera? Say hi.
Hi.
She's looking up in the sky. Right there, the camera. Go say hi.
Hi.
That better?
Man, there's not that much kick to this.
No, it looks like that guy's full of holes.
His face is all messed up.
Face is messed up.
Got one in the heart.
Got a shot in the heart. Who's that resemble? Kind of looks like. Let me see. Let me see if I can figure out who the hell we're shooting at. Who is that? Let me see if I can. Oh, okay. Yeah, the ears. It's a dead giveaway with the ears.